Today I'm going to show you how to download an image you create on Canva and upload it to WeVideo to use for one of your projects. So we are actually going to use the example of the image that I have here. I created this on Canva using graphics, fonts, and uploads of other fonts and things that I have from previous projects. So the first thing you're going to do is go to Canva and use your premium school account by logging in through the link I have provided you in some way. If you do not have access to that link, please let me know and I can get you that. Then, once you are in a project and you want to use this image for whatever purpose you have in whatever creative type of video you're making, you are going to be in that Canva project and we are going to download it just like we would anything else from Canva with a few specifics in mind. So I'm going to go to share and I'm always going to hit the download button. But we are going to make sure our settings in the download area are fit to be uploaded to WeVideo. So we cannot use a PDF or a presentation or anything like that. We need it to be a PNG, which is a picture file. Thankfully, it's already selected, but it might not be. You are also going to want to only choose one image